Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Redmi phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to restore delete file on Redmi mobile. Friends, you want to restore your delete file means delete photos and videos on your Redmi mobile. So friends, how to restore in this video friends we will talk about one by one and step by step. So friends, first of all open your Google file. Friends, if you delete your photo from your Google file, so example guys I will delete this photo, two photo friends I will delete, and next two video I will delete. So as photo and video friends I will delete. After delete friends click here left side three line and friends click on trash option. So as you can check your photos video guys, if you delete from here friends you can see delete permanently. After delete guys you cannot restore these photos on your device. Friends cancel. Friends click on restore and guys click here and guys photo and video will restore, and again friends you can use these videos on your device. You can use this photo on your device. Second guys, if you delete photo from your gallery, so example guys we will delete these photos. Friends you can see delete, click here and delete. After delete guys what will you have to do? Friends click on gallery again, album setting, and friends you can see trash bin setting, click here. Friends you can check your photos and video. Friends you can see trash size is not here, so click here and which photo and video friends you want to restore, select restore, and friends you can see delete and restore. So guys photo and video friends again we can use, and friends you can see there is nothing. So like that friends you can restore your photo and video from your gallery. And friends if you delete photo from your Google Photos app, click here. Friends if you delete photo, first of all give permission, not backup. Friends you can see I will delete 1 2 3 4 5 4 video or 2 video and 3 photo I will delete. Friends you can see delete, yes delete, allow here. And friends you can see again on this sheet, friends you can see left side three line, click here. Friends you can see bin option, click here. Which photo and video friends you want to restore, select. Friends you can see delete. Friends if you delete, friends you can see I will delete 1 2 photos. Friends you can see delete permanently, allow here. And friends now you cannot restore these photos and video. So friends don't click delete option, click on restore option right side and allow here. And friends again you can use these photos and videos on your device. So like that friends we can restore delete photos and videos on Redmi mobile. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to restore delete files on Redmi mobile. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.